Today is Monday, January 6, 2015. I am Denaja Simmons, and I am in Miss Irvin kindergarten class.
I am Melanie White.
Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Let us now say the school pledge.
Today I will make the choice to have a good day. I will strive to be the best I could be. I will respect all adult fellow students and myself. I am accountable for my words and my actions. It is my responsibility to learn something new. I enter to learn and depart to serve. I am a proud Kimberly Stinger.
Let us now say the no place for hate promise.
I promise to do my best to treat everyone fairly. I promise to do my best to be kind to everyone, even if they're not like me. If I see someone being hurt or bullied, I will tell a teacher. Everyone should be able to feel safe and happy in school. I want our school to be no place for hate.
Please pause for quiet reflection.
Thank you. You may be seated. The L.O. Kimberly character word is forgiveness. Forgiveness means the act of excusing a mistake or offense.
Here's what we're having for lunch today.
Knock, knock. Who's there? Justin. Justin who? Just in time for lunch. And now for a few words of wisdom.
Welcome back, students, and Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Happy New Year. This is the traditional time of year for setting goals. It's called making a New Year's resolution. When we make resolutions, we set goals for the coming year. Goals give our lives direction. They help us figure out where we are going and how we will get there. When we write down our goals, we're making a roadmap into the future. Today, take the time to write down your goals for this semester. When you are writing down your goals, remember these words. Climb high, climb far. Your goal is the sky. Your aim is the stars. Then put the list of goals in a safe place. When you start to get sidetracked or lost, you can pull them out and remember where it is you want to go and how you want to get there. What's something to think about? This is Mrs. Rivers. Make it a great day and a great new 2015. The choice is totally yours.
Happy birthday to all our Kimberly Stingers who are celebrating a birthday today. Be sure to stop by the office to get a birthday pencil from Mr. Sally. Happy birthday! Have a magnificent Monday at L.O. Kimberly Elementary School. Remember, be respectful, be responsible, and be safe.